Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. I'm here to tell you about the RYOBI ONE Plus cordless angle grinders. Available in two sizes, the 115mm and the 125mm, these grinders are perfect for grinding weld lines, removing rust, cutting metal and patio slabs, and so much more. Let's see what is included with the tool. An auxiliary handle that can be positioned in any of these three positions to provide full control when grinding or cutting. A toolless wheel guard to protect you against debris and sparks. We'll see this in action later. A grinding disc and a wrench that cleverly stores in the handle so you can easily change the disc. Depending on the kit you purchase, it may also come with a battery and charger. Reaching speeds of up to 9,000 rotations per minute, the grinders are 20% more powerful than their predecessor, the R18AG, so you have the power to complete your task. And with that cordless convenience, this can be in the home, garden or workshop. Operated by a two-stage on-off trigger, for enhanced user safety, this makes the perfect tool for DIY novices as well as more experienced users. Let's see how easily we can remove rust from this metal bar. To change between your cutting and grinding disc, firstly always make sure to remove the battery and are wearing gloves. And remember, if you've just used the grinder, the blade may still be hot. Take the wrench from the handle and hold down the spindle lock behind the blade guard. Twist the flange nut anti-clockwise and remove the disc. Now, to attach your new cutting blade, hold down the spindle lock as before and tighten the flange nut clockwise to secure. Put the wrench back in the handle and you're good to go. The 115 or 125mm discs are common sizes in Europe, so you can use any universal blade of this size. RYOBI also have a range of angle grinder discs available. Now we have a cutting blade, let's see how easily we can cut through an M12 threaded bar. These cordless angle grinders are part of the ONE Plus system, meaning one battery can be used across multiple RYOBI tools for the home and garden. So once you're in the system, you don't need to buy additional batteries and chargers. And there we have it, the RYOBI ONE Plus cordless angle grinders, perfect for all your cutting and grinding needs.